Welcome. In front of me I have Nokia 5.3 and today I'll show you how we can check the number of apps opened each day. So at the first we have to open settings. Next we have to scroll down and find Digital Wellbeing. Click to show our data and then we have to go for the unlocks right here. And when you want to check how many times you opened each app, you have to switch here to times opened. As you can see, settings were opened 7 times, photos 2. We can go for the other days, as you can see. So yesterday photos was opened 107 times, and as you can see, that's how it looks. So if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.